In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Etoro account, and we'll get this done in about 5 minutes. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Etoro website. You can do this by typing etoro.com into your web browser's address bar. Now, once you arrive there, you'll see a place where you can manage stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs all in one powerful app. This is the starting point for your journey into investing with Etoro. Once you're on the homepage, what you'll want to do next is look for the option to join Etoro. Usually, you'll find this prominently displayed, as Etoro makes it quite simple for new users to join their platform. Go ahead and click on the Join Etoro button. This will take you to the sign-up page, where the actual creation of your account begins. Now, it's time to enter your details. This is a crucial step because it's where you'll be providing Etoro with the basic information needed to set up your account. Typically, this includes your full name, email address, and you'll also create a password. Remember to choose a strong password to keep your account secure, something that's unique and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. After you've entered all of the necessary information, double-check to ensure everything is accurate. It's really important to input your details correctly to avoid any issues later on. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, you'll find a Create Account button. Go ahead and click on that. And that's it. By clicking Create Account, you've successfully opened your Etoro account. You're now ready to explore the platform, which offers a world of investment opportunities right at your fingertips. It's a straightforward process, truly designed with ease in mind to help you get started quickly and efficiently. Before you dive into investing, it might also be a good idea to familiarize yourself with Etoro's interface and check out their educational resources. They offer a lot of material that can help you make the most of your investment opportunities, which is particularly beneficial if you're new to trading and investing. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on setting up your Etoro account. Remember, taking the first step is the beginning of your exciting journey in investing. Don't hesitate to explore all that Etoro has to offer, and make sure to keep learning and staying informed as you go along. Good luck and happy trading!